He's like MacGyver.
The first truck handrail. Let's get started. Dang, hope this works.
Good luck.
Gonna need it.
All right, Carlos. You have the idea of a century.
I just hope it works, dude. I saw it on Instagram, but I was like, okay, the guy did it on flat, so I wanted to up the ante. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna make the first truck handrail. We're gonna go in the back, drill a few pairs of trucks onto this right here. We're gonna mount it onto this. Imagine like just a line of trucks going down, and hopefully get like a couple of board slides or lip slides down it, you know?
Welcome to the video where the entire Braille team supports you and makes you do everything.
I'm making it easy. Board slide it.
I already told him yes.
Yeah, he's gonna board slide it. Fetty, it's up to you.
Yeah, I know. I'm good.
So the trucks are gonna be what you're actually sliding on?
Yes, it's gonna be axle to axle.
Like side to side, axle to
Yeah.
axle. Won't you like catch on the, if you're board sliding it, you won't. He's like MacGyver. He's a magic man.
All right, well, what's your idea here?
Well, the power of duct tape, we use it for everything. I don't want to like drill into anything other than the trucks. I'm just gonna wrap duct tape around it to mount it in, and I think it'll be fine, dude. So let's get started. Welcome to Braille.
All right, guys, we're super excited to present to you today Raid Shadow Legends. In case you've been living under a rock, you have not heard of the brand new RPG game, Raid Shadow Legends. It has over 400 characters, incredible 3D graphics, tons of awesome stuff, and I'm gonna choose my champion right here. Boom! See that guy?
So be it.
So be it. We will crush it with this champion. The game has amazing 3D graphics, giant boss fights, and it's really super fun. The amazing thing is that this game will remind you of classic RPG games. So if you played some of those older ones, this will come right back to you. The added thing is, it's on your phone. See how crazy the level of detail is on these champions. Raid's graphics and storyline are comparable with AAA console games, but the game is totally free to play. Check out this almost perfect score on the Apple Play Store. Hundreds of thousands of people cannot be mistaken. It's got 4.6 stars, and it's been downloaded 169,000 times. The game is growing super fast and will have a massive update this month that'll make it even more fun for you brand new players. This is the best time to join in on the action. You can find me in the game under the name Braille Skate, and if you're quick enough, you can also join my clan. Go to the link in the description, click on the special links, and you will instantly get 50,000 silver and a free epic champion as part of the new player program to start your journey. So check me out on there at Braille Skate, and you guys can go to the link below right now. I'll see you in the game. Let's go.
Do you think this is gonna work?
Could, it couldn't. Who knows? We'll find out.
For some reason, anything Carlos does by himself, I just get really worried about the safety and/or integrity of it.
That we should have a bunch of. It would have taken a lot longer. We should have, because you can hammer the axles out, you know, and then put all just the truck bases without the axles, and then be a flush rail.
Should you and I go select the trucks to use, or should we just let him do everything?
I mean, it is his idea. He knows the path.
Oh, are you building over there?
No, not yet, but let's go. Let's do it as a group.
I don't recognize you, Gabe.
I know, I'm walking.
I thought your cool wheels.
My cool wheels are dead right now. I'm charging them.
Oh no.
Oh, that's how you're doing it?
Yeah. It's funny, the process of building it's gonna be way longer than actually like skating it.
I think we just take whatever trucks we have, put them on there, don't tighten or loosen them or anything, just leave them how they are and let Carlos chuck down it and see what happens. You're not gonna alternate them? Alternating directions like this so you can fit more and make it look cooler?
Okay, yeah, we can do that. I wasn't even trying to plan on 58 at all.
2 board slides and we're done?
I think you might be able to 50-50 it.
Nope, not like that.
I want them to be more lined up.
Well, because then you're gonna be hitting every divot like that. At least if,
Well, I'm gonna wax them too.
but at least if they're closer together, then you're just gonna be hitting these.
Let me see this. I mean, it won't fall down, but like this, it's like, yeah, that's death.
I literally think we're just overthinking it. Just build it, and they will skate it.
You will skate it.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, this looks really cool. I just can't wait to see what it looks like on the actual handrail.
We have a bullet right in the middle too. It's super high.
If you're not gonna skate it, I don't think you have to be too concerned.
I'm worried about you, Carlos.
I am a master builder though. I do build like half of most of everything we
Let's
do.
say your house building status is now above that of Aaron's.
Yeah, I do build more than Aaron does now, so.
The amount of wax Carlos is gonna put on it.
Okay, you're gonna be able to board slide it, but that's it. Calling it.
Dang, hope this works.
This is totally gonna work.
Well, that's one.
We are on to something, guys. What do you think?
I don't like that voice.
Yeah, right. If it was a Saturday cartoon, you would appreciate it. Yeah, it's a lot harder to build than I thought. Screw it in with this.
Dude, that's a U-size screw.
Let's just use it for fun.
Actually kind of worked.
That was majestic right there. If Carlos was a screw, this is exactly what it would look like. I'm a little offended though, he doesn't have a mustache.
I mean, you're building some stuff, so we're just, you know, having a conversation with ourselves and the people. Oh yeah, hey, how's it going, Carlos?
All right, last one. It's gonna be so cool. The ultimate mall grab right here.
Wow, is it heavy?
Kinda. Dude, this is sick.
Whoa. So is this like the most blasphemous thing Carlos has ever done? Is the 12 truck mall grab?
It's a workout bar too. Oh, there you go, there you go.
Yep, you just hit me in the nuts.
You hit yourself in the nuts.
All right, Lois, what are you doing?
We're gonna test it out so these guys can skate it. I know the finale is gonna be the handrail, but I wanna have fun first. Show you guys that this is skatable. I'll be the guinea pig. Try it out first. I wasn't making an art piece. Well, technically I was, but I want to skate this art piece.
Sell this in MoMA for like $5 billion.
They'd be like, the trucks are backwards in the front. Don't like it. Doesn't speak to me.
But then you'd flip one of the trucks around and they'd be like, oh, a masterpiece.
Pretty much.
Yeah. So good luck to you all. Oh, that's working.
I don't think it'll work.
Fools in. Anyone else? Fetty, you got this? Uzi? You break everything!
Still landed it.
Hey Gabe.
Yeah.
I've switched my whole style up skating.
All right, what is that?
Check this.
What is this?
I don't want to give away the secrets, but you just and it makes it look better.
Do a dolphin flip.
I mean, that's gonna be a hard one to like. But okay, I'll try. Kind of worked, I guess. I landed sloppy.
Very impressive.
Gabe was like totally in the way, and I thought you did like a heel flip.
All right, no effort. Switch flip.
I can't switchflip.org. Strikes again.
Shouldn't be a problem now.
It's gonna happen eventually. I mean, if there's one thing about it, it at least sounds really cool. Hi.
That's one way to wax your trucks.
Good luck, brother. No, actually, if you pop on this one, you should be fine.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, that'll work. Brilliant.
I ran right over the wax.
Really limited on your resources.
Do they board slide it? Interesting.
Very possible.
God! Yeah,
That's why I didn't want to do it. I had a feeling that was gonna happen. I'm gonna try it one time anyway.
It's not bad.
I don't know if that's gonna work.
Did I get your shins?
No, you're fine.
Good, good.
Wow. Oh yeah, that'd work.
it could have worked.
What are you sticking on?
I don't know. Something.
Oh!
I'm gonna tighten up the trucks. I think it's like flexing down on you, you know? Oh yeah, this one right here.
This board is weird.
I'll take it.
Took a chunk out the board. Yeah, it's a kingpin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't that Spider-Man's like biggest enemy, Kingpin?
Oh my God. Look at that.
Power through you did. Once Fetty lands it, you're gonna do your rail?
Yeah.
You lost your headphones, brother.
I burst headphones. Pretty much.
Whoa!
There it is.
Body! I was like, hey, kickflip front crook.
It feels like your slide is perfect and then literally just stop. I've never ran into a brick wall. I'm over it.
Carlos, you're up. All right, Carlos, the rail has been taped to the rail.
You know, I'm happy. We're the first people to do this, dude. A handrail. I've seen it done on flat. I saw that. I was like, I'm gonna copy that idea, but up the ante so we could be original. So I just like, yo, the first truck handrail. I don't trust it yet. Let me grab some wax and I'll go straight for it. Full Wayne Danga. Look how strong duct tape is.
It's stronger than ducks. Real ducks.
Hey, I love ducks.
Yeah, you know apparently bread's not good for them?
Yeah, it's not.
If it was the other way around, it'd be like birds giving humans like giant Big Macs or something like that.
Yeah, like Krispy Kreme donuts.
Yeah,
Krispy
or like
Kreme donuts
deep fried
would be
ho-hos.
Oh. What tricks you going for, Carlos?
Just keep it basic, you know. Front board.
Front board, back board, front lip, maybe?
Maybe on the front lip, but
Yeah, good
that's
luck.
like a good, what, 6-inch lift right there. Like maybe 4 inches. It's pretty tall, dude.
Good luck.
Gonna need it.
That was very easy. Yeah! Does it feel great?
It's like going off-roading, but on a skateboard. It's like
Wow.
da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Front board?
I think I'll just call it after that, dude. This is a lot harder than I thought. Cool. Glad that worked.
That's all, folks.
It worked. Dude, that was so cool. I'm glad that like I had a vision and I actually brought it to life.
Make your dreams come true. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And if you see anything on Instagram, social media, the internet, go ahead and let us know and we will make it happen here.
Yeah, we have imagination. That's all it takes to skate.
Yep.
Have a good day, guys.
Bye.